Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get anime filter on Snapchat. So let's go. For this, first of all, you have to go to your Snapchat app. Then click on any filter. Here you can see search bar or filter store. Click on that. You can see a lots of filters here, but I want anime filter. For this, I have to press on the search bar and searching for anime filter. Here you can see a lots of options for your anime filter. Choose one which you like. That's it. So this is how you can get anime filter on Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.